মম জীবন যৌবন মম অখিল ভুবন তুমি ভরিবে গৌরবে নিশীথি নিশব তুমি রবে নীরবে হৃদয়ে মম তুমি রবে নীরবে নিবিড় নিভৃত পূর্ণিমা নিশীথি নিশব তুমি রবে নীরবে হৃদয়ে মম তুমি রবে নীরবে।
নমস্কার, আমি আসলিহা গার্লস কলেজের প্রিন্সিপাল ম্যাম বলছিলাম এবং জড়িত আছি আমি ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ ইংলিশের সঙ্গে। ছাত্রীরা যে অনুরোধ নিয়ে এসছে আমার কাছে যে কিছু বলার জন্য, সেটা হয়তো আমাকে প্রত্যেক বছরই খুব দুঃখের সঙ্গে এক অংশ ছাত্রীকে বিদায় দিতে হয়। Spending 3 years in this college as a principal, I should say that here in this institution we treat every student as our child, and আমরা বলতে পারেন ওদেরকে যতটুকু পারি হাতে করে যেমন ছোট বাচ্চাকে গড়ে তোলা হয় সব দিক থেকে চেষ্টা থাকে আমাদের। অ্যান্ড এটা বলা ভুল যে এটা আমি করি, এটা আমরা করি। দিস ইজ আ টিম ওয়ার্ক running an institution. I have a very excellent, efficient bunch of teachers and a very efficient bunch of office staff, very helpful colleagues, very beautiful students, very obedient students, and I think as a principal this whole thing when comes along, then only a particular institution moves towards the direction of perfection, a brighter future, and everything else that is good possible for a child to flourish. I, with a very heavy heart, am saying farewell to my semester 6 students who are very close to my heart, and they have never even মানে ওরা বলতে পারেন যত 3 বছর আমার কাছে ছিল এরা সবাই আমার মানে বলতে খুবই ভালো লাগছে। কোনোদিনই আমিও এটা ফিল করিনি যে ওরা আমার স্টুডেন্ট, মনে হয়েছে যে না ওরা নিজেরই বাড়ির কেউ, আর কোনো কথাতে আজ পর্যন্ত ওদের কাছে না শুনিনি। খুবই আনন্দের সঙ্গে ওরা 3টে বছর এখানে কাটিয়েছে, স্বাধীনতার সঙ্গে ঘুরেছে, বেরিয়েছে, পড়াশুনো করেছে, বিভিন্ন রকম অনুষ্ঠানে ভাগ নিয়েছে, এবং আমি মনে করি ওরা আছে বলেই ওদের হাত ধরেই আসলিহা গার্লস কলেজ এগোবে। এবং আগামী দিনেও আমি বলে রাখবো যে যেসব ছাত্রীরা আমাদের সঙ্গে জুড়তে চাইছে, those who are aspiring to take admission in Asliha Girls College, as a principal and as a teacher, we all will extend a very helping hand towards them. যতটুকু আমাদের পক্ষে সম্ভব আমরা ওদের সঙ্গে কোঅপারেট করব, নিজের থেকেও বেশি তাদের ভালো রাখার চেষ্টা করব, এবং আমাদের ফাউন্ডার অফ দ্য কলেজ লেট জাস্টিস স্যারের কথা যদি বলতে হয়, যতটুকু সময় আমাকে দেওয়া হয়েছে তার মধ্যে ওনার সম্পর্কে বলার মতন মানে ওনার সম্পর্কে বলতে গেলে আই রিকোয়ার আ ডে। এটুকুই বলবো যে ওনার যে স্বপ্নটা সেটা সেই দিনই পূর্ণ হবে যখন এই এরিয়ার এই অঞ্চলের প্রত্যেকটি ছাত্রী, যারা মেয়ে বলবো, যারা ছাত্রী হয়ে ওঠার ইচ্ছে রাখে, সেই স্বপ্ন স্যারের ওই দূর দূরান্ত মেয়েদের বাড়ি থেকে নিয়ে এসে 3টি বছর স্বাধীনভাবে কাটাতে দেওয়া, আনন্দের সঙ্গে পড়াশুনো করা, সেগুলো যদি পূর্ণ করতে পারি তা কিছুটা হলেও, তাহলে জানবো যে আমাদের স্যারের কিছুটা স্বপ্ন আমরা এগিয়ে নিয়ে গেলাম। চিরদিন কেউ থাকে না, আমিও থাকবো না, ছাত্রীরাও চলে যাচ্ছে, তবে এটা আশা রাখবো যে আসলিহার বরাবরই যে সুনাম, যে সুখ্যাতি যেন চারিদিকে ছড়ায়, এবং এইরকম ছাত্রীদের পেয়ে I am a very proud principal to have such a lovely batch. Thank you.
Asliha Girls College is a college for women and basically it was the attempt of Justice Sir, who had taken the attempt to establish a college so that the marginalized people of the surrounding areas can find their position, I mean in academic field. And fortunately I have been given the position to work in the college, and I have been in the college as a HOD of English department, and during this time I had a great experience with the students. And at present, those students who are preparing this video, I should give them my personal thanks, because they are giving a great tribute to all of us. But before that, I should also say that the management, who has also taken a great attempt to carry on the quality education which are being imparted to the students for a very long time, and we have been successful in our attempt also, because many of the students who have already went out from our college, they have found a good position. So the batch which are preparing this video now, I should give my personal thanks to all of them. And I personally should say that this is the college where I found great delight in the implementation of proper knowledge to the students. I should not say much things to say, that's all. Thank you.
নিশীথিনী শোনো, তুমি রবে নীরবে হৃদয়ে।
I am Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of Asliha Girls College. I have been teaching in this college since 2019, and this is a fantastic college. You can say it is a prodigious college, and there is no doubt about it. Our Justice Sir Nuralim Choudhury has built this college for the purpose of uplifting women who were, bereaved in this society. So our intention is very good, and there is no misgiving in it. That our intention is to uplift, is to extricate women from the cocoon of darkness, and to give them light, to give them blissfulness in their life. So this is a fantastic college. Our principal madam is undoubtedly cooperative, is helpful with the students. Our students are marvelous. Our students here, are studious, are working hard for uplifting this college. And I would like to say that our management, our principal madam, all the teachers, non-teaching staff are helpful to the students and in their necessary. And so there is no doubt, there is no confusion, ambiguousness in it, that it is a good, it is a fine college. Thank you very much.
Hello, I am a teacher, guest lecturer of English department. My name is Anirban Banerjee, and I'm quite new to this department, but throughout this lockdown period I have been taking classes in the online method, the Google Meet platform. But due to this lockdown, I was not able to meet them personally, meet the students personally, meet the colleagues personally, but I was able to understand their response, their hunger for knowledge, and that's what motivated me to take the classes. And the first time when I visited the college, it was really the love at first sight, because the natural environment of the college was really good. I mean, the trees and all those swans moving throughout the campus, that's really impressive. And the staffs and all the colleagues are really friendly, because I've never felt that I am quite new here. So that is why I am quite having a fun in this college. And the students, and what can I say? I mean, I have not been able to find quite a long time with them, but their response and their happy faces make me make me quite calm and feel motivated to take all the classes and take more classes actually. Thank you. That's all.
আর একটি বারাই রে সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয় মোরা সুখের দুঃখের কথা কব প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই।
So we are the student of Aslia Girls College, batch of 2018 to 2021, English department. I am getting emotional to say that this is our last year of graduation. Not last year, this is our last month, because after 2 months we are going to leave our beautiful college. So this college is our second home for us, where we have spent most of our time. But it was just for 1.5 years, because after that we are in a bad, huge pandemic situation, COVID-19. Then we locked in our home throughout lockdown purpose, but that is why our classes maintained by online. But in these online classes we are not so satisfied, but still we have to do. The teachers have been extremely kind and always supported us throughout our learning phase. First and foremost, I would like to thank our principal ma'am, who always portrayed the image of highly disciplined personality, yet so kind and humble. Ma'am, you always influenced us and motivated us that how to achieve the impossible. Ma'am, I must acknowledge that we are learned the most important lesson of our life, that how to be disciplined and self-restrained. And also I would like to thank our college management that the policies they launched in our college have earned great fame and recognition in the world of education.
Today I am getting emotional to say that we are 6M, the last batch of our college. We have to leave this beautiful college very soon, which never thought before. I have hardly seen such a beautiful girls' college like this. This college taught us so many things about life, and our beautiful memories and our very many beautiful memories and happy moments are attached with this college and will remain forever. Belonging to a girls' college, it was actually easy to adjust. It was actually easy for me to adjust here, and as through my whole life I was in girls' school. So, however, we were happy. We are very happy in those college days. But gradually, our happy times passed, and finally we entered into the pandemic, where we lost two bright stars of our college, our honorable college founder Justice sir, and also our honorable teacher of our English department Abdul Rakib sir. That is very pathetic to all of us. In this pandemic situation, we were also compelled to attend online classes, and therefore I started missing my college offline classes, college campus, canteen food, blackboard, the gossips with friends, and our college atmosphere, which is very beautiful, and that always make us really happy from the inside, and many more things. Within the very few months, I realized that how amazing were those days. Our teachers are really awesome. Always they support us not only in education but also in another educational field. Even at that time, they were working harder than ever. They put in tremendous effort, which we'll never forget. Truly thanks to all the teachers who are continuously serving to the nation, to teaching the young generation in this pandemic situation. So finally, I would like to say to our young adults who are eagerly waiting to be in the college with lots of expectations, you come here and fulfill yourself with lots of knowledge and experiences from the subject and also from the extracurricular activities. You never feel hesitate to present yourself in front of our teachers. Seriously, our principal Bornali Banerjee ma'am and all of our teachers, our teaching and non-teaching staff are really very, very kind and helpful. Seriously, we are very lucky and happy to be a student of Aslia Girls College, and we will remain gratitude to our college management and to all of our sirs and ma'ams, and definitely we will miss the college forever.
পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায়, ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে হায়, ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণের কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। সখা প্রাণের মাঝে আয়, মোরা সুখের দুঃখের কথা কব, প্রাণ জুড়াবে তাই।
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिकर थी जिंदगी, जीने की उम्र थी दोस्ती, और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।